YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. I wanted to do a quick video. Everyone seems to be kind of a little bit tight for money with everything that's going on right now. So I wanted to do 5 mods for 50 bucks. That's pretty good. I saw someone recently did 10 mods for 100 bucks on an Evo, which makes more sense. Evos are a little bit more expensive. So I thought I could do one on the CELICA for 5. Yeah, 5 for 50, that seems really reasonable to me. I wanted to give you guys 5 ideas of kind of DIYs or things you can do at home for under $50 to make your CELICA GT or GTS or similar cars, sports cars, into a little bit better, small details. One day I'm gonna go over to a total build list of this, but we're still just getting into this thing. We haven't gotten anything too big in this video. I'm gonna stay away from getting away from like really big purchases, such as like an exhaust that's hundreds of dollars, or like a turbo kit. So we're gonna go with a little bit smaller. So the first modification that I just did is going to be this antenna. I love this. This is an S2000 antenna. You can find these on a lot of websites. So this is an OEM part. It was about $15, so it definitely makes that criteria. It absolutely makes that criteria of being underneath that amount. I think it looks really sporty, it looks really good. Most cars, I mean pickup trucks, sports cars, a lot of the older ones come with these really big dated antennas. And it's funny when you see a car like that. There's a lot to choose from. You can do little stubby ones, you can just totally delete it. But I like this Honda S2000 one for about $15. I think that's a great deal, and it really makes my car look a lot different compared to the big old one. Way different. The next mod that's quite large and quite affordable is these are Scion FRS wheels that are on my car. They fit perfectly, but I painted them, myself and I, gloss black. And they look awesome. They came out really good. I love them a lot. I think that looks awesome. I think it makes a car stand out perfectly. It draws your car to more of the body lines of the car versus pointing at the wheels. So I wanted everyone to look, when they saw this car, I want people to look at like the gunmetal, the Thundercloud body lines and how sharp the car is, not at the wheels. And I think that I accomplished that. This was about $25, very affordable. So it'll take about four rattle cans, maybe 3 of paint, and they're about $3 to $8, right around there. So let's say like, I don't know, 18 bucks. And then you will want 1 large can of primer, which is about $7. So in total, it's about $25, which is a really reasonable deal. Definitely a mod that makes it under this list of being under $50. So I highly recommend doing that on yours. I do have a video if you guys need to learn how to do it, but it's a great result. For the next one, we are gonna head into the GTS. This is available on my website. This is a TRD badge that I really like. They're very affordable. I think they're $16 or $17 on my website. If you use today's discount code, let me pull my key out. If you use my discount code of MDORE, so I'll have that discount on there, I'll take $2 off, and it'll be good for 24 hours, so just for 1 day. So if you guys want one of these TRB badges, very affordable, but definitely makes the car look a lot more modern, in my opinion, and more race enthused. I love that. Fits perfectly in there. So you can swing by MITCHDORE to grab one of those. I think they're $16 or $17. But that being said, you can get a discount of $2, so they're even more affordable. I know a lot of people wanted to buy them, but they're on the hints of it. I'll save you $2 by getting it using that code MDORE. I'll put it right here. I'll link it right here. But let's go ahead and jump on to the next one. So I think that's a really good one. The next one is going to be LED everything. So I have LED dome light. This is available on my website. It's like $6 or $7. Again, you'll be able to use that discount to save $2 off anything off the website. Let's go ahead and turn the LEDs around the whole car. You can also get these. These are very popular. You can do the side marker LEDs. Now the side markers themselves, they're more expensive than the $50, so I'm leaving them out. But number 3 is the LEDs. So you can do LEDs there. You can do the LED dome light. I think that looks good. The headlights, they're more expensive than that, so we're gonna leave those off. No headlights, but you can do the side marker, so let's do that. Those side markers right there, those are very affordable. I love the LEDs on there. That looks really new. Better than the amber. The amber looks really dated in my opinion, and they're super bright. Look at that, super white bright. No one's gonna run into you. I know that people sometimes run into cars because they can't see them, but I think those look really good. I really like that. So those are available. And then the next one is going to be also the tail lights, or not the tail lights, I wish, the license plate lights. These are also available. The dome lights, so those look really good. The license plate dome lights, I absolutely love those. Those are in the super white LEDs. Beautiful, fits on there perfectly. Again, you can use that same code, also available on there. So just LED around the whole car. It makes this car look so much more modern. If you guys saw this when I first got this car, it had the chrome wheels, and then everything on it was incandescent bulbs or amber bulbs, and it just looks super dated. Like if you've seen a Tesla or anything more modern, LED is where it's at. It's brighter, it uses less energy, it just looks really good. So LED, everything. Visit my website, but you can do that on a lot of cars. Yeah, these are more specific to the MR2 and the my parts from my website, but these are more specific to an MR2 or a CELICA GTS, but you can just duplicate this on any other car. So like if you own like Evo, for example, or a Lotus, which I will be doing this to my Lotus, I will be putting a lot of LEDs on there. It's funny, a lot of the Lotuses originally came with incandescent bulbs, and you'd see this like super fast looking car, and then it have these like yellow dull headlights. It like made no, I remember seeing those, I was like, that is crazy. It makes the car look so cheap. So I love having LEDs. I think it really transforms the car. So that's another really affordable mod. I know people are kind of tight on budget, like I was saying right now, and that is a great mod to make your car look a little bit better. So let's jump on to the next one, number 4. So as you can see, the car is coming out really good. I like these videos just so you guys can actually look at this beautiful, rare car. This thing's just beautiful. I mean, hit the like button just for looking at this. I think this is special. These are special videos, just to be like in the presence of someone actually making tsunami content. I love looking at this car. It's such a rare car. But the next thing that I did that was really affordable is Lug Nuts. So these are aftermarket Lug Nuts. They're about $30 for the set of 20 of them. So 5 on each one, and I think that they look really good. Again, this came out super good. But for about 5 Lug Nuts that are not the chrome ugly ones, I think that that is also a really good deal. So I'm really happy that I got these Lug Nuts. I got mine in black. I think they look good, but I know a lot of people do them like in red. That's a popular. Yeah, a lot of people do them like this candy apple red. You can do like spiked ones if you want to do that. I really prefer the open-ended ones too. I was trying something different with the closed-end ones, but I like the open-ended ones. I have those on my MR2. I don't have them on my Evo, but I do have aftermarket Lug Nuts, the little acorn ones on my Evo. I think those look really good. And I will be buying a stud kit for my Lotus and then having aftermarket Lug Nuts on there. The Lotus is more than 100. They're like $120 for them, but for most normal cars, you can get a set for under $50, way under the $50 mark. Probably, I mean, you can shop eBay, look on eBay, you'll be able to find something there. Even your local auto parts store sells them, but I think they're like $25 to $30, which is a really good deal to go from chrome, especially if you just painted your wheels. Put the chrome ones back on there, those would be an eyesore. So I think that that looks really good. But yeah, that's the next one. I think Lug Nuts is a great mod. I'm a little bit more of a, not as wild, I guess you'd say. I'm a little bit more clean in my builds. I don't put all stickers and stuff on. I've never really put any kind of stickers on my cars besides my YouTube sticker. But I'm a little bit more clean, but you can always go with a crazy color if you want. Okay, so that actually was 5. Number 1 was the antenna. I think that that's a great mod to do. I know that a lot of cars come with stupid antennas, big giant ones, so I think that this is a great little mod that makes a big difference. The next one we're gonna do was painting your wheels, the gloss black or any kind of color that you want. This car would actually look kind of cool if they were all like a gloss white. I think that that would have been a really cool mod to have gloss white. I know that you guys thought that was kind of cool. So maybe if I get like my OEM GTS wheels and do a gloss white just for like a couple months or something like that, that might be cool. Comment down below if you guys think I should do that. And then the other one that we're gonna do was the TRD badge. So the interior mod of the TRD badge, which I absolutely love. I think that looks so cool in there. The next one was the LEDs, everything. I think that's a really good mod. Honestly, that's one of my favorite mods, is just the LED stuff. And you can always swing by my website. And then the last one, or not the last one, but we did the LEDs, and then we did, yeah, the Lug Nuts. So that was number 5, the Lug Nuts. I think that that is a great modification for under $50. So currently, if you're struggling with your build and you feel bored, here's some affordable mods. You can do these on a lot of cars. I think these are good ideas. These are small things. If you get your car tinted, sometimes if you do it yourself, you could probably do it for pretty affordable. I think I'm gonna be able to, I might try to wrap my roof. And I think you can get a piece of vinyl like just under the $50 mark. I'm not sure. I think you can get it for like $45. So that might have been one to wrap your roof vinyl. I think that might have been a great one. I will try that one. But I wanted to give you guys 5 ideas to continue your build if you're bored and if your budget is tight. I think this is a great idea. These are all great ideas that will make your car look just a little bit better. And you can do it however you want, but I think this is great ideas. The last bonus one, my buddy Redline Ricer got me this. I'm not sure how much he got me paid for these, but I'm pretty sure they're under $50. Do a license plate frame. One of the biggest things that I see is people, they get a car and they still have their dealership and it says like, you know, John Smith dealership of Toyota or something like that. It's like, come on, man, you got this car that you spent like, sometimes people spend, you know, $50, $60, $70, $100,000 on a car and they still have the dealership plate. So to make your car look just a little bit cleaner, you can do a carbon fiber one like mine, real carbon fiber. I love that. I think that looks beautiful. Or you can even just do a gloss black one, or you could do one, whatever you want. I mean, TJ Hunt sells one, whatever you want. You can do whatever you want, but I think anything better than, on the bonus one, anything better than the dealer plate, you're looking good. So those are just some clean mods, because you actually look at that. You have to look at that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit the like button. 5 mods for under 50 bucks. I will do another mod, another video mod. I think I did one for 10 mods under $10. Those are some pretty good ones. And I might go back and do another video like that. But I will probably do another one on the Evo for 10 mods under 100 bucks in my opinion. It's hard to get mods this affordable. I mean, like headlights are like 300 bucks, wheels are like $400, $500, $600, $1,000, $2,000. Wheels can get expensive, especially with tires. You know, exhausts are expensive, turbo kits can be expensive, forced induction gets expensive. So it's fun to have little mods that are affordable. I really like that, and I think that's what my website is about, a little affordable mods that make you happy. And that's what my website is about, is making you happy with those little mods that make a difference. Again, make sure to hit the like button. The reason I filmed this is I painted some turbo stuff on my Evo, so next video will be Evo content, and it's drying, so I didn't have that video ready or done, but it will be coming up soon on the channel. So again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe guys. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.